Hello there, my name is Sam Squalo and I'm bringing you this emergency Bitcoin update. Now, if you're into crypto and if you're longing Bitcoin right now, then this video is for you. There are quite a few interesting things that I want to take a look at, a few interesting charts, and also show you my current targets and my current understanding of the market, and also show you my current short trade. And without any further ado, please hit that like button and let's get to 2,000 likes on this video. And the more likes there is, the more motivated I am to make these videos each single day. And as always, guys and girls, it's a lot easier to click the like button than to actually create these videos every single day. So thank you very much for your support, my YouTube family. Love each single one of you. And let's just dive straight into the price action. So right here we have as mentioned in the previous video, and if you haven't seen the previous video, please check it out now. And remember that there is a link down in the description of this video to my free Telegram channel so that you're always alerted to any market fluctuations. So we have this double top, so to speak, and this top is higher than the previous one. And now our job, the job of Bitcoin, is to create a higher top somewhere in this vicinity than this top, and then this could be, you know, like an kind of an uptrend going back into the uptrend in the daily chart. But right now, and as you might remember, I actually I traded the break of these levels right here. We had a very important level at 42,200, at 40,000 and a half. And also this super important level, which was this diagonal one from about 41,200 to 41,500. So a bunch of resistance we actually broke here, that if we're going to be going down now, there is going to be a lot of disappointment in the market participants, and it's going to trigger quite a big sell-off in my opinion. So while we are in this channel right here in this area, then we are still fine. And our current target is $46,000 to break. And then if we're going to finally break it, which seems like we might be breaking it, and that's why I'm going to show you a few interesting charts in this video as well, so stay tuned. And that's my target. And then finally, if we actually break out of this right here, out of this area finally, with this double top, then our target could be around $58,000, 56, somewhere in this vicinity would be, you could set out your take profit. And currently, here is my trade over on Bybit. Still some profit, so it's a there is no leverage basically. Well, not on this one. Sometimes I use leverage, which is fine, just depending on how many trades you have. So it's about a $200,000 long with a profit of currently about $3,000. So not bad, working out quite nicely so far. And if you want to be trading on Bybit yourself, down in the description of this video, you'll find my exclusive personalized link to Bybit, which you can use to create your own account. Go to the rewards hub, deposit money, and claim up to $4,100 in free bonuses for your own trading, which is incredible, and also a 30% discount on commissions. So we've taken a look at this chart right here. Now let's also take a look at this chart right here, which is very important right now, and this could actually propel Bitcoin to perform incredibly well in the coming weeks and days. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, this precisely was the resistance that we've marked in the Bitcoin dominance right here. So this is basically shows that Bitcoin is performing a lot better than altcoins again. But remember that this doesn't mean that altcoins are going to be going down. It's just that Bitcoin is performing a bit better. So if Bitcoin has gained about 30% in the last days or weeks or months, then for example altcoins could gain 15 to 20%. So Bitcoin is going to outperform altcoins. And here, this is something that was mentioned in the previous videos as well, that if we see a breakout out of this falling flag formation, which is happening currently right here, which is happening currently right here, then we're gonna see a very big rally in Bitcoin, which seems like it's happening right now. And also, this is a very important thing also, which I wanted to show you, which is this Bitcoin and the altcoin season index. And currently we are going in the Bitcoin season right here. So below 25 is a Bitcoin season, and oftentimes when we saw this happening, Bitcoin rallied like crazy. So currently everything is looking really bullish for Bitcoin. And also, last but not least, we have to take a look at the presence of the exchanges. which I mentioned in my previous video, and I was wondering, if you might remember, I was wondering whether this is going to be the same case as we had in this area, where we had a big drop off in whale activity at the exchanges, which wasn't followed by a drop in the price. And this is which again, in these instances, when we were moving down in the current bear run, we were seeing each time when we would see a spike in whale activity, we would see a drop in the price. Until actually this moment right here, which happened basically in the end of January and beginning of February, when we had an increase in whale presence at the exchanges, but Bitcoin didn't drop. And same thing we're currently, seems like we're having right here, where the whale presence is increasing, but the price is just consolidating. It's just not pushing lower. So this is also a very good sign. We also had this quite a big drop off, and it seems like it still is trying to drop down, and the price is standing there, so it's not doing anything, which is an incredible sign for Bitcoin in all of these instances. So for this reason, I'm thinking that I'm gonna keep my Bitcoin trade, which is over on Bybit right here, for quite some time. I have a very wide stop. So remember that, as I said previously, that if you really want to be on a safe side, you can long Bitcoin after it breaks and stabilizes about 46,000. But again, you can say the same thing about, longing Bitcoin after 52,000 or 58,000 or all-time high. And then you're going to be just like everyone else who enters at the all-time high and leaves at the all-time low, basically. So be very careful and very smart. And if you want to join my accredited and certified trading education, which is a 5 months long learning program, then a nice discount is down in the description as well. Enjoy that, and it's a very useful tool to save you years of your time, as well as thousands of dollars that you could otherwise potentially lose in the market. So yeah, this is the current situation. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please make some noise down in the comments, smash up the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And as always, Thomas Krallo, peace and love. I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart, stay rich. Bye-bye.